Sub YouTube. Alright, my daughter's home from college, and I think we're gonna start hitting the road. It's a spring break, and I think today we're gonna head out to the beach. As you all know, we love going to the beach. Alright, and we'll love to have you all come along. Alright, we better get to it. Alright folks, so we arrived at Seaside, and as a normal tradition, we're gonna stop by and pick some pancake. Alright. Alright, we're getting pretty close to a traditional restaurant here. Picking pancake. I'm turn this around. You can kind of see that. Right there. That's our favorite restaurant. Get some pancake today. Alright. Alright guys, so we got food here. I got my coffee here. So this is mine, my normal things, and this is my daughter's here. Alright. Alright guys, so we're done with lunch. Had pig and pancake, and we're walking to the beach. Alright, I think it's a little cold, but we'll give it a try. It is so windy and cold, guys. Alright, so let me so I'm gonna do a 360 here, so you can kind of see. Alright, see there, drive around. It's a beautiful daughter right there. Beautiful day, but it's really windy and cold. Gosh. Alright, I'll make one more round here. Alright, so we're walking back to the side of the strip mall here. Walk from that side to the beach, and then walking back down here. Nice little view here. So usually I stop by and try to get some. Oh, this is all shelly, but honey, raw honey's from here, so they have a lot of goodies here. Let's look at this here. So, honey stick. Different taste. Also got, oh my goodness, wild boar jerky. Yeah, I've never tried that before. Alright, let's go see. What else they have back here?
Hello. Hi, how are you? Good. How are you? Good. I just have been here. This is where I used to go.
Oh, golly. Wow, okay. Oh, yeah. Different sauce there. Yep, same thing there too. We just have all the honey. Okay, here you go. So these are true honey. Let's see what the true honey here. Some flavors this year. Usually I like the wildflower ones that they have. Okay, you see the wildflower one?
That might be all the snacks, but okay. That's fine. Was that the peanuts?
So I'm gonna look for that before I leave, and
You got those for bread.
see they have all different saucy and things like that. Alright. Oh, what is corn? Okay. Oh, that, okay.
You want this one?
Alright guys, so yeah, we're gonna get a honey and
You literally walk by that one.
I'm gonna keep walking down. Alright. Alright guys, so that's about it. A trip to the beach today. Actually, we found a property here at the beach we want to look at, so that's what we're gonna do next, and after that we'll it's gonna hit home. Alright guys, so this is the house. I'm not gonna get out. It's a little windy, it's cold, but I'm sitting in my car. Just want to show you guys. Oh my gosh, okay. Needs a lot of work, just from what I saw here. Okay. Turn this way, so the house is like that. The entrance that way, the garage down there. Good size of property, but it's a lot of work. Alright.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise.